Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to use the teapot in China. You know, most of the tea sets are made in China in Jingdezhen. So let me give you an example how to brew tea, how to use the teapot. And usually you may pull down the tea leaf. In Asia, we use the tea leaf. We consume the tea leaf, very popular here, and we seldom use the tea bag. And most of the tea categories in Asia, in China, and some is categorized as black tea and some is green tea. And so this time, let me use the black Chinese tea. And then usually the first time, please pour down the hot water into the teapot and then wash the tea. Wash the tea means you don't need to consume the tea the first time, but just to wash the tea leaf. So for that washing purpose. And then the second time, please continue to pour the hot water into the teapot. And then please wait 1 minute or 2 minutes. It depends on the temperature or on your water temperature, hot water temperature. And when it is ready, please pour down the tea into the fair mug. And usually the fair mug is made of glass, so that you can smell the tea and you can also see the color of the tea. So let me use the fair mug and pour the tea to serve your friends or families. So you may pour tea evenly to the different cups and then serve the cups of tea to your friends and families. So that's how in China, Taiwan, Japan, and other countries of Asia, how we use the teapot. So teapot is used to brew tea, right? And in my other videos, I also show you how to use the lidded cup. And lidded cup is not used to brew, not used to consume tea. It's used as brew tea. For example, if you use the lidded cup, in my another video, I also show you, you may pour some tea into the lidded cup, and then you can use the lidded cup to brew tea. And when the tea is ready, you may pour down the ready tea into the fair mug. And then you can share the tea to the different cups and serve your families and friends. And so we have two tea sets to brew tea. One is teapot and another one is lidded cup. So this tool we use to brew tea and very popular in China.